G'day guys, Adam here from Suncoast Caravan Service, coming to you today with a new product, the Ibis 4. The new Ibis 4 air conditioning unit has next generation variable speed technology built in, making it ideal to run off your generator. Soft start, 4 variable speed settings including turbo. A few of the other great features of the brand new Ibis 4, in comparison to the old Ibis 3, it has a variable cutout sizing, meaning it can be fit to either a 400 by 400 or a 360 by 360 cutout, making it great for a retrofit scenario. The other great thing about it, 8 kilos lighter than the previous model. Also, it has a bigger heating and cooling capacity, making it ideal for your caravan. The new generation Ibis 4 definitely ticks all the boxes. Super powerful, super quiet, super efficient. The new generation soft start technology, it does definitely tick all the boxes. If you have any questions or queries about the new Dometic Ibis 4, please feel free to contact our friendly staff at Suncoast Caravan Service. Bye for now.